Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Let us today learn counting and comparison of one-digit number. Count and group. So, we have been given few apples. We have to count 6 apples and group them together. So, let us begin students. We will be counting one apple of the top, one apple of the bottom. So, if we start from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, we can say here are the 6 apples which we have grouped together. Let's take the next example. You have to this time do this. Group 7 birds from this group of birds. So, if we start counting from the left side, we will be having 3 birds on the top and 4 birds on the bottom to make 7 birds like this. Right, students? Was I right in grouping them? Did you check? Do that on your own. Let's do one more example. Next, we have to group 3 trees from this group of trees. So, count 3 trees from the left. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, we have grouped 3 trees. Let's take one more example. This time, we will be grouping mirrors. So, we have few mirrors over here. Let us group 5 of them. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, we have grouped together 5 mirrors.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.